And this is where this ladder of abstraction comes in. The idea is that you take something in the ancient world, you understand what is some of the key themes and key principles happening here. And then from there, you can get a more abstract concept, and that is what translates over here. So, for instance, when the Bible says, something like, do not give false testimony, right? Don't lie. That's what they understood back then. Does that translate to today? Yes? No? If you say yes, put up your hand. Good, most of you passed. Okay. So something like that, it's on the bottom of the ladder, it can go straight over here and it makes sense. Right? But now if someone says, don't move your boundary markers, what does that mean? Does that make sense today? If you think so, put up your hand.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay. All right. In most cases, right, we don't have boundary markers necessarily that define our properties. And so now this idea, you have to get a more abstract concept of what that means now. So boundary markers, when it says don't move your boundary markers, back then it meant the whole concept was don't steal. Okay, so does don't stealing make any sense in today's world? Okay, so that's something that's more abstract. It wasn't specific to what's happening here, but you're taking that concept and that makes sense over here. And now when you try to apply today, in what ways does it mean don't steal? Tell me some ways that you don't steal. Specific ways. Okay, don't shoplift. So don't shoplift what? Tell me.
Gum.
Don't shoplift food, don't shoplift clothes, right?
Barbie.
People.
Huh?
Barbie.
Barbie, okay. Right? All those different kind of examples is tangible stuff that happens today, right? It doesn't make sense in the ancient world, so now you gotta find out what's the common principle that links back then to now. That's the whole point of Bible study.